these new glue holders, this is what I use for, this is mine. This is the very first one he started making. These are going to be $5 because it's a little bit bigger, and well, it's a lot bigger than the mini glue holders. So these are the mini glue holders. Remember I showed you guys these last week? So these ones are awesome because if you have like the Stampin' Up multi-purpose liquid glue, it fits that. And the whole idea is what you want, well, this is what I'm thinking. You want your glue to hit the bottom. So like when I'm stamping, I can put that in there and it holds it and it doesn't ooze out. So it's kind of like a stopper in the holder. So I had other holders that this is the only size that it holds. But this is one that will hold the extra large Tombow multi-liquid glue. This is not Stampin' Up. But look, it holds that size too. So if you are one of those people, will remain nameless. So you can see the difference in the size. So this glue holder will fit both sides of your glue. And it's amazing and it's sturdy, it's nice, and it's the finish of it is beautiful. So I did bring a few colors over here. I got the turquoise, the pink or the hot pink, right? We have cobalt blue. We have all the colors that are posted on my website. So we are making these in all the colors. I'm just bringing over a few colors. And then the purple. So these are just a few of the colors. We do have orange, but not many people want the orange. So that was his first one that he made anyway for me. So, but these are just some of the colors that you can kit. And all you need to do, now remember, when you're going over to my website, dawnstampingthoughts.net, and you're looking for the blog post for these items that we're selling with my husband's 3D printer, do not contact me by my blog. So this is like a public forum. You have to email me here, dawn@theglitterpit.com. So I have the blog post, and I've written on the blog post many times that you need to contact me here if you want to place an order. Because many people are leaving their orders over on my blog, and this is not a place where we can go back and forth with PayPal accounts and, you know, sending me what you want, posting your address over there. This is like a public domain, you guys. So you have to email me here, dawn@theglitterpit.com, and let me know your address, the items you want with the colors, and then also if you are playing with PayPal, I need your email account that's attached to your PayPal account so I can request your payment, right? So pretty easy, but the blog post is mainly to show you the items that he is making right now, okay? And then we still are making the block holders. I want to also give you guys a heads up. This block right here is for this block. And this block is not square. And I know that doesn't seem even possible, but if you find that this block is not fitting in your block holder, it's because you got to flip it around. Because this block is not square, like the square. See, this is not fitting in that block right there, so flip your block around and then it fits. See that? Somehow Stampin' Up's blocks are oblong or odd shaped, and it's for every block holder. So, but then you flip it around and it fits in there perfectly. So if you run into that issue, but then all the other block holders are great. All these other blocks fit into these slots perfectly, depending on what you want to put in them, right? Okay. So, but that's the only one that's the odd shape, and this is block B, I believe. B as in boy. Yeah, I think this is block B. So when you get the block holders, because we've sent out hundreds of these already, it should fit really smoothly like this. So you can take it out. If it does not go in, it's on, you just got to turn it around. That's a Stampin' Up thing. That's not the block, because the block holder is made for these blocks. Okay. Purple girl here, Melanie said. Me too. Also, we have multiple shades of blue I know that at first it was very confusing because we have aqua, turquoise, then we have cayenne, and then we also have cobalt blue. Let me show you. This is cobalt blue. This is turquoise. I think this is turquoise. Let me go get another one. Hold on. So that you guys know the different shades of blue. Because when you say blue, don't just say blue. Because I won't know. Okay, so this is cayenne blue. This is cobalt blue. Can you see the difference? Cobalt blue, cayenne. Let me turn my light on. Cayenne. This is turquoise. Turquoise, like a blue turquoise. And then this is aqua. So the aqua and the turquoise are very similar, but they are different. This is aqua, this is turquoise, the name is called sky blue, which is turquoise for me, because now we're doing this color in aqua. So these are all the shades of blue that we offer. So depending on what blue you want, all right? Cayenne, cobalt, turquoise, aqua. And then we have purple, pink, black, gray, army green, red, yellow, and did I say black already? So those are all the colors that we have right now. And we're offering them all in the block holders, the glue stands, these are $5, and then the mini glue stands, which are $4. And then we also have the can toppers. Those are selling really awesome too right now for summer, for camping, boating, keeps bugs out of your drinks. So everything is over on my blog. But remember, the most important thing is to email me your order. That's the way we're doing it for right now. Okay? You can post what you want, but I need to know in my email because I'm keeping track of every order. And that's the way that I'm only checking my email for that. Okay? Any questions? How much? The block holders are $20. The glue holders are $5. The mini glue holders are $4. And then the can toppers are $4. And you can pick your colors, whatever you want. We just finished the order for 25. We got that all shipped out now. So that is all caught up. So we are all caught up now. Orders are shipping out pretty fast. The glue holder. Remember, this is holding both sizes of our multi-purpose liquid glue. This one's from Stampin Up. Perfect. And this is the large one from somewhere else. But it holds it good too. So no matter what size liquid glue you're using, it will fit perfectly. Okay? All right, guys. If you guys have any questions, please just reach out to me. You can text me, email me here. Okay? Anything.